a new narrative will come up. And you know, I have a different take on these monarchs who were ruling India those times. अगर अस उनका कंडक्ट की आज दे जरा वैल्यूज ने या आज दा जरा रिवाज है वो कन्नै कंपेयर करचे, it's not fair. Those times are different. These times are different. Then an autocrat or a feudal lord was viewed differently by people. वो अन्नदाता लगता है. If he was good, they would praise him. जिन्हें किसी ने आख्या भाई गुजर जा रहे हो आख्या जी वो मतलब महाराज ने प्रे चुप चाख्या. Those were the different times. अगर अस उस टाइम की आज के पैरामीटर पर evaluate करेंगे, I think we are being unfair to the person. The person has to be evaluated in the backdrop in which he was alive, in which he did his karma. It's a big issue. It's for scholars. As journalists थोड़ा बहुत अपना दो चार अंग्रेजी लिखिए काम कर सकते हैं, but ultimately it's a very serious issue. It goes beyond asking for छुट्टी. Good छुट्टी is good for everybody. Everybody is happy, but वो ठीक है रोला का रोला पूरा लगना है, but one has to go beyond it. And you have to JNK से consciousness create करनी है. You have to create consciousness internationally and in Delhi. These are two very important sectors. आज का जो communication level है, that you cannot keep confined to a small place. You have to go and address it to bigger things.